How to change color theme on Google Chrome. Want to personalize Google Chrome with your favorite colors? Let's change the color theme step by step. So first and foremost, click on the three dots at the top right of Google Chrome, and then from here, go ahead and select settings. Now once you're on your settings, look for the appearance button at the left side of your screen and click on it, and that will take you here. So from here, select theme, and this would pop at the right side of your screen. Now from here, go ahead and select the theme color that you have in mind. So there are this set of colors you can choose from. You can also select a specific color from the color picker. Now you can set the appearance to dark, or depending on the mode of your laptop or PC. And that is how to change color theme on Google Chrome.